Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your iPhone may look simple on the outside, but every physical button on it is designed to perform multiple powerful functions. Most users only use these buttons for basic tasks like locking the phone or adjusting volume, but once you understand what they truly do and how to customize them, your iPhone becomes faster, smarter, and much easier to control. Let's start with the side button, which is far more than just a power button. A single press locks or wakes your device, while holding it activates Siri instantly. Double pressing the side button opens Apple Pay, allowing quick payments without unlocking apps. Pressing and holding the side button together with either volume button brings up the power off and emergency SOS screen, an important safety feature many users overlook. Next are the volume buttons. Of course, they adjust sound levels, but they also serve several hidden purposes. When using the camera app, pressing either volume button acts as a shutter button, helping you capture sharper photos without touching the screen. Holding the volume down button can also quickly silence incoming calls or alarms without rejecting them completely. If your iPhone includes the action button, available on newer models, this becomes one of the most customizable controls on the device. Instead of a traditional mute switch, the action button can be programmed to open the camera, turn on the flashlight, start voice recording, activate focus mode, or even run custom shortcuts. This allows you to perform complex actions instantly with just one press. Another powerful feature many people miss is back tap customization. By enabling it in accessibility settings, you can double, tap, or triple tap the back of your iPhone to trigger actions like screenshots, control center, or app launches, essentially adding invisible buttons to your device. You can also customize button behavior through accessibility settings such as adjusting press speed, enabling assistive touch, or changing how long buttons must be held before activating actions. These adjustments make the iPhone easier to use for faster responses or one-handed operation. For emergencies, pressing the side button rapidly 5 times can activate emergency SOS, automatically calling for help and sharing your location. Knowing this shortcut can be incredibly important in critical situations. Understanding these buttons isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency. When customized correctly, your iPhone buttons reduce screen taps, save time, and give you instant access to the features you use most every day. Once you start using your iPhone's buttons the smart way, you'll realize they aren't just controls, they're shortcuts designed to make your entire smartphone experience faster and more powerful. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.